Lodige. This is the lift at M&S in Walsall. It's an Evans lift, capacity 21 persons, 1600 kilograms. Look in the mirror and you see, hey now, security camera up there, and it's a slow lift. Here we are, G. And that's the lift at ASDA in Warsaw. Go to 0. It's a Kone Ecodisc lift, capacity 26 persons, 2000 kilograms, made in 2006. Security camera up there. Ground floor. And that's it. It's the lift at Debenhams in Warsaw. There's the store in Debenhams in Warsaw. Come on. There it is.
Going down.
Got a J.
Doors closing.
It used to be old Otis and it was modernised by Otis 2000 in 2003. Capacity 750 kilograms, 10 persons. Look in the mirror, DC. Okay. We got ground floor.
Doors opening.
And that's it. Go to 0. This is the lift at Primark in Walsall. It's a Kone Monospaces lift, capacity 26 persons, 2000 kilograms. Security camera up there. Look in the mirror as you see. Hey now. Ground floor.
Doors open.
And that's it. Lift at Wilko in Warsaw. It's an old Lodige lift. Capacity 1000 kilograms, 13 persons. Made in 2002.
First floor.
First floor. Security camera up there, nice lights. Yeah, first floor. Go down to the ground. Go to the ground. Let's go down. It's funny announcement. Going down. Funny. It's funny. Anyway.
Ground floor.
Ground floor. Here we are. Ground floor. And that's it.